Hi, I'm Cody from Endura Products, and today we're going to be talking about Endura's replaceable deck seal and how to remove and replace the aluminum when no mullion is present. How many times on the construction site has your door seal received damage? Drop of a hammer, scratch of a rock. What are you left to do? You're either left sawzalling out the seal or you're left offering the homeowner some sort of monetary value. Those days are long gone. With Endura's replaceable deck seal, simply replace the aluminum and move on. The first step in removing the aluminum is to remove any excess caulk from around the jambs using a razor knife, and then coming back in with a flexible putty knife to get underneath your door jambs. With the caulk removed, insert your stiff putty knife in the bottommost groove and simply bend up on the aluminum to disengage the aluminum sill deck from the substrate below. With the aluminum sill deck bent across the front, apply a pair of vice grips, bend up, and remove the aluminum. Before applying your replacement aluminum, come back and ensure that caulk is cleaned out from underneath each jamb to aid in ease of installation. With all the caulk adequately removed, you're now ready to replace with your final piece of aluminum. It's important to note that should you live in an area that requires hurricane anchoring, Endura's replaceable deck seal is integrated with various hurricane anchor points. To apply the aluminum, simply slide into place